What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Idex, which has pumped up nearly 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just above 6 cents. So what we're going to be going through is the usual. Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? And also, obviously, looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Idex go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is down just about 0.5%, and it's not really good because, as you can see, Bitcoin has dropped down to $27,000, guys. So it was worth about $30,000 last week, mid last week, and ever since then it's been taking a slight dip in value, going down to $27,000, meaning the crypto market has also taken quite of a hit over the last 5-6 days. Anyways, today's focus is on Idex, which is the top gainer according to Coinbase in the last 24 hours, and according to Binance as well. So yes, it is one of the top gainers, so it's getting a lot of attention. As you can see, in the last hour, it has dropped just about a percentage. Over the last day, 18%. It's been quite volatile. Later last night, it did pump up and then peaked up in value earlier this morning, up to about over 7 cents, and right now has taken a little bit of a step back. Over the week, 13%, and over the month is an overall 23% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 1,500% up in the last 24 hours, making it $91 million. And the only reason why it's pumped up so much, trading volume wise, this huge percentage increase, is because it's one of the top gainers, or the top gainer, in the last 24 hours. So a lot of more people are going to be looking into the project. It's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more investors, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line, which is the SMA indicator running across the chart, giving us the average value of Idex, which is here in purple, at just over 5 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in green, trading over 6 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what we're going to do is look at the short-term trade and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Idex to be more or less trading around its current price range of just about 6 cents in target. But again, in between that time, it is likely to drop below 6 cents or even go above 7 cents. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been, as you can see, up, down, but the overall outcome seems to be trading at its current price range by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So no major changes are expected value-wise over the next 12 to 14 hours. And again, guys, as I mentioned earlier, as you can see, it's been quite volatile, a mixture of both red and green candles over the last 12 to 14 hours, and that is what we should expect over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish here. We've got the blue line looking just about bullish, slanting towards a positive direction, and we do have the orange line clearly going in a positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Idex over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Idex to be pumping up to just about hitting 8 cents in target towards the end of this week. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a breather, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the positive side, meaning the green days are going to overtake the red days. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value over the next 7 to 8 days from Idex, as I mentioned, potentially just about hitting the 8 cents target towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Now let's go on to the daily chart over the next 4 to 6 weeks. What can we expect here? So in this case, we are still looking bullish, still positive. We've got the blue and the orange line heading towards a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected from Idex by mid to late June 2023. So over the next approximately 2 months guys, I'm expecting, as I mentioned, an overall increase in value, but where is it gonna go? So is potentially personally hitting about 10 to 11 cents in target is what I'm expecting from Idex over the next 2 months, or even much higher than that, depending on how the crypto market performs, especially how Bitcoin performs in specific, because more or less guys, Bitcoin drives the market in a positive and negative direction. For example, if we see Bitcoin pumping up to $35,000-$40,000, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. However, if it drops down below $25,000, we are going to see major red candles in the crypto market. So once again, it all depends on how Bitcoin in specific performs, but hopefully it should be moving towards a positive direction over the next 2 months overall. So guys, 10 cents is what I'm going to say from Idex over the next 2 months approximately. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Idex, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on this crypto on a regular basis. But at the moment, 10 cents is what I'm expecting by mid to late June 2023. So as mentioned in the thumbnail, can Idex hit the dollar mark? Yes, it can. However, the question is, when is it likely to hit? Personally guys, this year, I'm going to skip this year for Idex. Potentially early to mid next year is when I'm expecting Idex to be hitting the dollar mark in 2024. Again, it's got a long way to go for it to hit that target, and we're going to have to give it enough time. And again, cryptocurrency is a very volatile market, so potentially mid next year is when I'm expecting Idex to be hitting the dollar mark. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys expect Idex to hit in 2023. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.